Hello friends and kids, this is Gayan Buddhika from British English Academy, Kirillawala, Kadawatha. In this video today I am bringing you the third episode of my kids spoken English videos, and in this video today I am going to talk about another historical temple in Sri Lanka. The Delgamu Sri Dalada Rajamaha Viharaya is a historical temple in Kuruvita in the district of Ratnapura and in the province of Sabaragamuwa. This temple was the house of the Sri Dantadhatu or the sacred tooth relic for 43 years during the time when the Portuguese ruled the seaboard of Sri Lanka. The sacred tooth relic was hidden in this temple to protect it from the enemy, the Portuguese. The Delgamu Sri Dalada Rajamaha Viharaya has now been declared an archaeological site. With the arrival of the Portuguese in 1505 and they are gaining control of the seaboard of Sri Lanka, things started changing. At this time, the king of the Kotte kingdom was King Bonekabahu VII. When he died, his daughter Princess Samudra Devi's son became the king of the Kotte kingdom as King Dharmapala. However, King Dharmapala was heavily influenced by the Portuguese and he became their puppet king. King Dharmapala became a Catholic and took the name Don Juan Dharmapala. The people were very unhappy with these events. At this time, the sacred tooth relic was kept at the Dalada Malika in Kotte Kingdom, and its lay custodian was Kiravalli Hiripitiya Diyavadana Nilame or Hiripitiya Diyavadana Nala. This Hiripitiya Diyavadana Nilame was a descendant of Prince Danta. This Prince Danta was the husband of Princess Hemamala, who brought the sacred tooth relic to Sri Lanka from India. Princess Hemamala hid the sacred tooth relic in her hair and Prince Danta came with her. The Portuguese were destroying Buddhist temples, and it was said that they were plotting to rob the Kotte Dalada Malika and steal the sacred tooth relic. During this time, the Kiravalli Hiripitiya Diyavadana Nilame had a dream in which an old man dressed in white wearing a turban came to him and said, Kotte Kale Kisille Datamadagan Rale. The meaning of these words is, now there is no use of doing anything in Kotte, so remove the sacred tooth relic to the center of the country. After this dream, the Hiripitiya Diyavadana Nilame decided to take the sacred tooth relic to safety. The history says that the Diyavadana Nilame swam across Diyavanna and reached the kingdom of Sitavaka, which was ruled by King Mayadunne, and the Diyavadana Nilame handed over the sacred tooth relic to King Mayadunne. King Mayadunne was very pleased to have the sacred tooth relic, as the belief was whoever had the sacred tooth relic was the rightful heir to the throne. However, as Sita was also in danger from the enemy, King Mayadunne decided to send the sacred tooth relic to Tunbor and the Delgamu Rajamaha Viharaya, or which was known as the Sabaragamu Viharaya. The chief incumbent or the chief priest, Sadbasa Parameswara Mahinda Lankar, was King Mayadunne's good friend. The sacred tooth relic was kept hidden in a Kurahangala, or in English it's called grinding stone, at Delgamu Rajamaha Viharaya. And the sacred tooth relic was kept behind the Dahatarayan seated statue of Buddha. The history says that the chief incumbent decided to hide the sacred tooth relic in the grinding stone when he came to know that the Portuguese had come to know that the sacred tooth relic was at the temple, and they were planning to rob it. The chief incumbent got two fake relics made and kept one at the place where the original relic is kept and gave the other to Vidya Bandara. However, both of these were found by the Portuguese and destroyed. History says that the chief incumbent hid the sacred tooth relic in his waist and fled to Palabadgala and lived there to give protection to the sacred tooth relic. In 1592, Konappu Bandara, the son of Veerasundara Bandara, won the Kandian kingdom, and he had crowned himself as King Vimaladharma Surya. King Vimaladharma Surya brought the sacred tooth relic to the Kandian kingdom from Kotte and built a two-storied building there and kept the sacred tooth relic there. So my dear friends and my dear kids, I think today you have learned something important and educative from the content of this video. So if you like the video, put a comment below, and don't forget to smash the like button. At the description I have given you something important, and don't forget to study it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So until I come to you with another educative and important video, for today I may take your leave.